Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Chip Tarkett. It's an opportunity to receive personalized and group endurance training, participate in a major marathon or triathlon or century ride. You can build friendships, travel, and most importantly, help make a difference in the fight against leukemia and lymphoma. It's called Team in Training, and you can be a part of it. In today's Good News segment from Care Advantage, we'll spotlight Team in Training. But first, Care Advantage offers compassionate and quality home health care around the clock. Here's a message from the Care Advantage founder.
Hi, I'm Debbie Johnston. I'm a registered nurse. I started Care Advantage with the thought of giving excellent care to people in their homes and hospitals. Recently, my own parents needed help. My mom was dying in a hospital bed. My dad recovering from surgery at home. It's impossible to do it alone. My company sent nurses to help make my mom's last hours better and get my dad back on his feet. If you or someone you love needs help, don't do it alone. Call Care Advantage today, 323-9464.
To tell us more about Team in Training are Elliot Smith, the campaign manager for Team in Training, and Art Ritter, who's an honored teammate and survivor of Hodgkin's lymphoma. Welcome to both of you. Glad to have you in here. Elliot, talk about the money raised by Team in Training and how it impacts research.
Absolutely. Well, the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society has done some amazing things. Since we got started, we've invested over $680 million in research, and the way that impacts us here in Richmond in particular is through a grant that's been given to the Massey Cancer Center for over $600,000. That research is targeted towards CML and pursuing further research in that category.
And I think it's raised over $1 billion, is that right? It's just unbelievable.
Team in Training has been responsible for raising over $1 billion at this point. We're really excited that we just crossed that landmark.
So really the cost to participate is raising the money?
Yeah, essentially yes. While you're training with the team, you'll be fundraising alongside as well, and you'll get some excellent support along the way as well from individuals like Art Ritter here. Yeah,
we're going to talk to Art right now. As a survivor of Hodgkin's lymphoma, and first, congratulations on that. Talk about the importance that you see in Team in Training.
I see it as, if you survive cancer, there's a reason. A lot of people working over the years. Hodgkin's lymphoma is one of the more curable cancers, but even so, 10% to 15% of the people that get it die each year. So that's one of the more curable ones. And Team in Training through the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society donates money directly towards research and also to patient support to help people who have these diseases.
Now, you participated in Team in Training. Well, what's the training like?
The training is actually a lot of fun. Saturdays is a group training, and it's different depending on your event. My event has been marathons and half marathons, so on foot as opposed to with a bike or in a pool. But it's a lot of fun getting together with your teammates Saturday, and then during the week doing your cross training and 3 or 4 days of running.
There's some perks too, I know, with the one-of-a-kind experience in the travel that you get.
It's amazing. I'd never been to Alaska before. My first marathon was the Anchorage Marathon, so I got to see a bit of the Great North, and I've been to several other places I've never been before. And this spring I'm going to Seattle.
All right, that'll be great. Elliot, teams are forming now in Virginia. Talk about the races that are coming up.
Absolutely. We have some really exciting races we're going to be training for. They'll be taking place in the fall, and those are the Rock and Roll Half Marathon in Virginia Beach, the Nike Women's Half and Full Marathon to benefit the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society out in San Francisco, California, the Marine Corps Marathon in Washington, D.C., and then we'll also be doing El Tour de Tucson out in Tucson, Arizona, and the Nation's Triathlon to benefit the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. That one's again in Washington, D.C.
Yeah, and I know teams are forming right now, and here's how you can find out so much more, plus the number and website for Care Advantage. It's Team in Training. It benefits the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. Teams are being formed right now. Get on the horse, dial it 627-0400. You see their web address as well. And a big thank you to Care Advantage, who brings this segment to us. Elliot Smith and Art Ritter, thanks so much for being a part of Showcase Richmond. Great story. Thanks for being with us. Have a great day.
Thank you, Chip.